right හරි record කරන්න පටන් ගත්තා. එතකොට මම ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? You will have to use this to this thing, and what you are doing, you can take a copy of this one, right click copy, and you can keep it like this. හරි ඔන්න copy එකක් ගත්තා. Now what you are doing, you know the structure of the web page. You click here, okay, then you are giving HTML. Okay, in here you are giving HTML. Okay, so in between okay, in between you can type the other text. Here I am giving this one, and here I can give head. We have discussed about this. This is the structure of the web page, head, and again I can keep it here, and under that I can give the title of the web page. According to me, I'll give title and practicals. Then I am closing the title from here. ඔන්න දුන්නා. හොඳට බලා ගන්න. Then what you have to do, you have to go with the body. So here I am typing the body. Now the structure is completed. නේද? structure එක හැදිලා. අපිට අවශ්‍ය structure එක හැදිලා. ඔන්න බලන්න body කියන එක දුන්නා. මෙතනත් body කියන එක දුන්නා. Right? Now inside that you have to give whatever the text that you are having. Okay? Now as you all know, now look how you have to save this one. මතක හිටින්න නැත්නම් you have to write down this. Okay? How you can save? Look here, notepad. You are having the notepad here. You have typed something. Okay? Right? According to this, it will display only practicals on the tab. So you are selecting file, save as. File, save as. Then you are going to your folder. I am using D drive. D, I have grade 11 past papers. I have grade 11 2021 HTML June. I am going to give practical 1. හරිද? මෙහෙම දුන්නට මදි. Then you have to give .html. So you are giving .html and you have to save this one. හරි. කට්ටිය මේක දැක්කද? කොහොමද කිරුවේ කියන එක? කාට හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවද ඒක? With the chat message you have to reply me. Can you understand that how you can save a HTML document? අංගල ඔක්කොමලම උත්තර දෙන්න පුතා. Yes. කොහොමද මේක හරි නේද? හරි. Okay, good. Now what you are doing here, you have saved that. Now how you can see the output? You can go to the folder. Here you went to the folder, right? Grade 11 G, that folder you can see practical. Now what you are doing, inside this one you right click, go to open with and Google Chrome. When you click this, now you can see practicals. Okay, practicals title. The body is like this. You can see the body color is white. So that means the default background color is white. Remember that. You can see the output, right? Can you see the output? Yes. Okay. Yes. Right. Now again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my notepad. Here my notepad. Right. So in the notepad, I'm giving body space BG color equal blue, and the text color equal white. I have showed you last week also. Then I am giving here another heading H1, not HI, H1. Okay. Then I am closing from here H1. Then I am typing here my first practical, right? Then what I am doing, I want a paragraph, so I'll take the P paragraph, Control V. Here you have the paragraph P and P. This is my first HTML practical. ඔන්න ඔය විදිහට දුන්නා. හරිද? right? මෙන්න මේ විදිහට දුන්නා. දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ කෝඩ් එක තමයි පුතා I have given here. I have given the code. මේ තියෙන මම මේ කෝඩ් එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ දේවල් ටික ඔයගොල්ලන් ටයිප් කරලා බලන්න ඕනේ. මේ දේවල් ටික ඔයගොල්ලන් දැන් ටයිප් කරලා බලන්න ඕනේ. right? So here now you can see I have given the code. So that code I have typed here. Now I want to save this one. File, save. I'm saving that. Okay. I'm going to save කරුවා. හරිද? දැන් practical 1 කියලා save කරලා තියෙන හින්දා file save කරුවා නම් ඇති. File save. If you have done any modification, you have to select file save or control S to do the necessary modification. Now this is my practical tab. I'm clicking on this one. Now you can see, okay, the final output. Now after you get this output, what you will have to do, now as I said, I want this output. So what you are doing, you are taking a screenshot of this one. How you can take the screenshot on the computer, you can find out the print screen button. Okay, print screen button එක click කරන්න. Print screen button එක click කරලා make this one, you have to take to Word. Okay, you just go to Word, click on that, right? Then Control V, so you can get the output, right? හරිද? output එක ලස්සන තියන්න. දැන් මෙතන පේන්නේ නෑනේ මේක. හරිද? මොකද කරන්න පුළුවන්? You just go to this one. Okay. So here you have this, as well as if you can take the notepad. Okay, I'll go to this one. හරිද? Here you have the final output. Okay, and this one, so you can take a screenshot. Now you are having the code as well as the output. Now you can go to Word and you can paste it. Control V. Here you have. Okay, so like that you have to type the thing, you have to take the output and you have to paste it to the Word. Okay, can you understand? ඔක්කොමලගෙම reply එක ඕනේ මට. If you can't understand, tell me, then I'll explain it again. I got only 9 messages, 10. How about the others? Can you all understand? You have to type the code in the notepad. You have to save it as HTML document. You have to get the output and you have to get a screenshot and you have to put it to the Word. මේ සම්පූර්ණ practical එක. Yes. Right? I'll show you again what you will have to do. You have to take the notepad, you have to type your code here. Here you have typed the code, then file, save it, Okay, when you are saving first time, what you have to do? File, save as. You have to go to your folder. You have to give a name .html. You are saving that. After you save that, what you will have to do? Yeah, it doesn't matter. කොහෙට හරි කමන්නේ paste එක ගන්න. It doesn't matter. I need the final output. Okay, but I am going to show how you can convert it to PDF now. Okay, then you can go to the folder, and here you the file that you have saved, you can see it as a HTML file. බැරි වෙලාවත් මෙතන text file එකක් විදිහට තිබුණොත්, txt file එකක් විදිහට තිබුණොත් ඒක වැරදි save කරලා තියෙනවා. ආපහු save කරන්න .html කියලා. Then you have to right click on this one and you have to open it with Google Chrome or any other web browser. Any other web browser. You can select any other web browser. So I am here opening with Google Chrome. Now you all can see the final output will display like this. The final output will display like this. Then you have to take the screenshot. On the keyboard, you are having a button, print screen, PRTSC. Okay, so I'll give here Google print screen. මෙන්න මේ වගේ keyboard එකට ගියාම print screen button එක තියෙනවා. මේ තියෙන්නේ print screen button එක. එහෙම නැත්නම් print screen button එක මේ තියෙන්නේ. Okay, print screen button එක තියෙනවා. When you press the print screen, it will capture the whole thing in the document. So you can make it smaller, resize, and you can get the notepad as well as the web browser output. Then you can press the print screen button. With clicking the print screen, what you can do, you can take the output. Neither you can take the output. Then what you are doing, Buddha? Then you are going to Word. Then you are going to Word, and you are pressing Control and V. When you press Control and V, the output will be pasting like this. Then finally, what you have to do? File, save as. This file you have to save with PDF format. Okay, this file you have to save with PDF format. ඔක්කොම ටික practical ටික කරුවායින් පස්සේ output එක අරගෙන PDF එකක් විදිහට save කරනවා. හරිද? whatever the file name that you want to give, then PDF එකක් විදිහට save කරනවා. PDF එකක් විදිහට save කරනවා. right? ඒ PDF එක අපේ group එකට දාමු අපි. හරිද? Can you understand it? Is it clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Right. Others, how about you all? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then a practical එක කිරීම අත්‍යවශ්‍යයි. Because you have to write HTML code in the past paper. So that means for your exam also they will give something related to the HTML to write the codes. To write the codes, first you have to know how to use that, how to align, what kind of output will be generating, everything you have to know. Right, now I am passing the document to your group. Take the thing, take it and do the practical. Okay, you don't want to be in online. හරිද? online එකේ ඉන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Then now it 4:52. Okay, right. See, with the WhatsApp group, you can communicate with me. WhatsApp group එකත් එක්කලා ඔයාලට මාත් එක්කලා communicate කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so you all communicate with me. So sir, when we are saving the notepad, we have to type HTML in the end. Yes, when you are saving the notepad, you have to give .html. When you are saving, you have to give .html. හරිද? හැමදේම file name එක practical1.pdf. Okay, right? Okay. Right, now again Puta, I am putting the practical stuff as well as I am giving 10 questions. Okay, right, 10 questions. So that 10 questions also Google form. I'm uploading to the WhatsApp group. ඒ 10ත් කරන්න ඕනේ දැන්. හරිද? මගේ main target එක ඒ 10 කරලා ඉන්න. ඒ 10 කරලා ඊට පස්සේ ඒකේ output එක මට ඕනේ. ඒක මම දැන් බලනවා. ඊට පස්සේ මට practical එක කරලා PDF එක හදලා දාන්න ඕනේ. now මේ මම කරපු වීඩියෝ එකක් දාන්නම්කෝ දැන්. Okay? Right, okay. For now we'll stop. I'll upload it to the groups and you don't want to be online. හරිද? practical එක කරලා මට දාන්න. Okay? Right, okay. If it is not clear you can ask again. දැන් මම දාන්න යන්නේ WhatsApp එකට. practical දාලා ඉන්නද? ඒ leave it. Right. Puta, you don't want to stay here. You can leave and do it. Okay. Now I have upload the both Google form as well as the HTML one. හරිද? මෙතන ඉන්න අවශ්‍යතාවයක්
Sir,
නැහැ. නිකන් data කපා ගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ.
excuse me, sir. First, we
Yes.
have to do the Google form, right?
Yes, Google form. Maximum 15
After-
minutes. Maximum 15 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Within 5 minutes you can do. That is theory part. Okay. Within 5 minutes you
Okay,
can
sir.
do the Google form. Do it fast. Then do the practical.
Okay, sir.
Okay.